I'm Leanne, and we're the founders of LoliWare Edible Bioplastics. 3 years ago, we launched the world's first edible drinking cup as an alternative to plastic, and since then, we've replaced over 136,000 plastic cups.
Who's ready to try the cup of the future?
Gotta try it.
Okay.
Done.
Yeah,
Done?
Mark, can I get in on that?
Who's coming in?
I'm in. Yeah, I want to.
We have become experts in edible, hyper-compostable materials, and we've now developed what is the next generation of LoliWare. And we're super excited to share today what's next in LoliWare's innovation pipeline. Introducing LoliStraw, the world's first edible, hyper-compostable drinking straw. LoliStraw is made from the next generation of our edible, patent-pending material technology, LoliZero. It's made from seaweed and it's 100% marine degradable, hyper-compostable, non-toxic, and non-GMO, and can even be embedded with super fun flavors and nutritional benefit. Let us share with you why it's so critical to replace something so small. 500 million plastic straws are discarded every day in the US, which is just a fraction of the billions used globally. Plastic straws cannot be captured by the plastic recycling stream because they are too small. So in the best case scenario, they are piling up in landfills, and too often, they are contributing to the 8 million tons of plastic bound for our oceans each year. At the current rate of pollution, there will be more plastic in the ocean than fish by 2050. Plastic straws are clogging our landfills and killing our precious sea life. Where plastic straws are simply taking up more and more space in our landfills, LoliStraw creates new value after it's used in 3 key ways. By transforming into plant fuel through composting, machine fuel through anaerobic digestion, or human fuel through eating. Now more than ever before, we need a solution. The world needs LoliStraw, because LoliStraw is the straw of the future. Our goal is to replace plastic straws at high-waste venues like stadiums, fast casual restaurants, and of course coffee shops. We are ready to save the world from plastic straws, and we have our team of experts ready to go. Chelsea and I are industrial designers. We have 2 senior food scientists, a process engineer, operations advisors, and sustainability experts supporting our endeavor. But we need your support in order to change the world to replace plastic straws forever. Be the first to try LoliStraw by donating today. For as little as $10, you can go plastic-free and be sipping on LoliStraw by next summer. We look forward to your partnership in saying goodbye to the 6 billion plastic straws. And hello to LoliStraw.
Here's the problem with air purifiers. You don't know if they actually work. You breathe, the purifier cleans, you breathe again, and everything feels the same. The purifier is like your friend John, who you've asked to donate $5 to your favorite charity. He says he did, but did he? You can get an air analyzer, but just like you and your lying friend John, they don't talk to each other. Meet AuraAir, the world's first total air solution. It does 4 things. 1. It analyzes your air by circulating it, so it can tell you what's going on right now, but also predict future problems. 2. It purifies it and disinfects it through 5 different filters to an entirely different level of standards. 3. It functions as a certified carbon monoxide and smoke detection unit, and it recognizes the air quality outside your home and gives you real-time air quality recommendations. Each of these things it does better than most of the other only doing one thing devices. And thanks to advanced technology, it's not the size of a refrigerator, so you don't need to move a couch to find room for it. If you're not living directly under a highway, you're probably thinking your indoor air is at least okay. That's because it seems clear. If it looked like this, you would know there's a problem. But if we could visualize every toxin that's in your air, you'd be able to see that your everyday air is filled with pesticides, gas leaks, pollen, formaldehyde, mold, and home-created toxins. In fact, according to the US EPA, indoor air is 5 times more polluted than the air outside. Maybe you are better off living under a highway. Now let's talk air purification. AuraAir uses a unique 5-stage optimized filter system, starting with a pre-filter that cleanses big molecules and particles of dust, pollen, and mold. The UV LED is for bacteria and viruses. Ray filter is for tiny particles such as microdust and germs. Then the smart fabric filter with copper and carbon absorbs smells and harmful gases. And finally, the stereonizer completes the purifying process by restoring necessary ion levels to closed environments. Your air is now cleaner and better than any other purifier can. And thanks to the analyzer, AuraAir's app will tell you how clean. You can also get tips and insights on how to improve your indoor air quality and see a graph of your home's air quality over time. Besides analyzing and purifying, AuraAir's sensors provide the built-in functionality of a carbon monoxide and smoke detection unit. The US requires every home to have these detectors, and everywhere else, it's pretty useful to have them as well. Now let's talk about what's going on outside. AuraAir teamed up with Rezometer to give you location-based real-time air quality data. And you know they're good because they provide Google their air quality information. This can help you decide whether it's a good day for a jog or a better day to stay in and finally do that binge watching you've been postponing all week. So if you want indoor air analysis, the best-in-class purification, carbon monoxide and smoke detection, and outside air analysis all in one, get AuraAir. Now let's take care of that dependable friend problem. Here's David. Trust us, he's great.
We spend almost 90% of our time indoors. Losing touch with the environment combined with a busy lifestyle will not only affect your performance but also your well-being. Being close to nature is good for your mental and physical health. Enhance your lifestyle by creating a living space that is soothing to be in. The EcoGarden uses a 1,000-year-old growing method to do just that. With its own self-sustaining ecosystem, this miniature greenhouse is capable of growing herbs and vegetables all year round. It combines aquaculture and hydroponics in a symbiotic environment. The fish waste provides an organic food source for the plants, while the ecosystem naturally filters the water which is recirculated back to the fish. No soil or chemical fertilizers and completely pesticide-free. Your fish and herbs are constantly being monitored by multiple sensors, which are continuously uploading real-time data of your system's health. Receive live notifications about the status of your EcoGarden and track the progress of your plants. Feed your fish and control your garden remotely, right from the palm of your hand. With a team of engineers and support from experts, we have been working for the past year and a half on developing the EcoGarden. Using state-of-the-art LED grow lights and integrated sensors, we have made growing fun and easy and extremely simple to set up and maintain. No green thumb or toolbox required.
You don't have to rely on your neighbors to take care of your fish or water your plants. The system does it for you. Hey Google, talk to EcoGarden. I want to feed my fish.
Your fish have been fed. What would you like to do next?
Just fill the EcoGarden with water, add your fish, place your grow medium, plant the seeds, and connect with nature. Don't let your busy schedule stop you from spending time with those you care for the most. Enjoy growing in a calm and relaxing environment and be part of the whole growing process from seed to harvest. Place your garden anywhere you want. It fills out any room and creates a living and harmonic environment. Feel good about going away for a few days, knowing that your system will take care of itself. With smart light sensors, the EcoGarden will automatically adjust the brightness to make sure your plants thrive with the best efficiency and yield possible. With the app, you control everything wherever you are. Your EcoGarden is always connected to your Wi-Fi, which allows you to check the status in real time or the analytics and much more. Rethink the way we grow food and experience the beauty of growing smarter. Help us create a better and more sustainable world for future generations, one person at a time.
We are ready for production, but we need your help. Join us on this journey and be part of a growing community. Please support us and back our project. Thank you.
Take a look around you. In the age of smart homes, heating technology is still lagging far behind. Radiators are clunky, ugly, and cost a lot of money to run. Until now. Here at Coletta, we've solved this with Solus, the most efficient radiator in the world. Environmentally friendly, accessible to all, and extremely affordable to run.
Efficiency is the very core of Solus. In fact, our lab's testing has shown that Solus will save you between 80 and 95% of the cost of your heating. In order to make this reality, we invested time and effort in perfecting our unique graphene-based heating element and nanotech coating. This innovative technology allows Solus to be used in almost any application where there is a power source, whether it be in your apartment, off-grid, or with alternative energy sources such as solar and wind. AC or DC, it doesn't matter.
We designed Solus from the ground up, not only to reduce your heating costs, but to completely replace expensive and outdated radiators. The Solus system is modular, meaning it adapts to your living circumstance and can even move home with you. Designed to be used freestanding or wall-mounted, our eye-catching tri-layer glass build offers a sleek and reflective black finish. With Solus, we moved away from the standard metal radiator and instead we use lightweight tempered glass. Not only does this make our product super light and therefore portable, it also offers an incredibly durable and scratch-resistant finish. Solus also comes with a pre-packaged thermal regulator, which you can use to set the desired room temperature. Once the temperature is reached, the heater will automatically cycle on and off to maintain the warmth instead of running continuously. This saves you money, prevents overheated rooms, and is better for the environment. Solus is durable. We wanted to make a system that lasts. Unlike traditional heating elements, Solus doesn't suffer decreased efficiency from oxidation, meaning that it will still be just as efficient 30 years from now as it is today. At Coletta, we have years of R&D behind Solus. We have done our prototyping and laboratory tests. We already have preliminary agreements with suppliers for every single component that makes up the complete product. Which brings us to now. We want to bring you on board for the final stages of our journey towards mass production. With the help of Kickstarter and your backing, we'll invest in our first production run, raw materials, and the warehouse space needed to make Solus a reality. By backing Solus now, you'll save money on your heating costs and make a more sustainable future possible for all.
The quality of our air is influenced by the places we live in. Breathing healthy air and staying in contact with nature makes us feel better, happier, more productive, and live better. But unfortunately, we spend almost 90% of our time indoors, and even if we don't realize it, indoor air can be really polluted. The World Health Organization has in fact stated that indoor air can be up to 5 times more polluted than outdoor air. But how can we improve the quality of the air and live better? With Natede, Clary's new product. It's been created to bring healthy fresh air and be the most beautiful design object you will ever have.
On the market right now, there are only ugly and traditional air purifiers that work with expensive filters that have to be replaced often. So the intuition was to use nature.
Some plants, in fact, have a special ability to eliminate the most common toxic agents in the air, thanks to microorganisms that live in their roots. Natede, thanks to a technology unit, amplifies these properties.
We created the most amazing natural air purifier on the market. And thanks to your support, it was an incredible success. More than 2,000 bakers from over 52 countries in the world believed in us and are now loving the product.
We won several awards, and most of all, our team grew from only 3 of us to almost 20 people.
So we really grew up, and also Clary grew up. And here we are, ready to launch the new Clary.
Let's start with design. Natede is extremely up-to-date, elegant and beautiful. Obviously, we made it eco-friendly and recyclable with an astonishing new biomaterial. R&D goes on. We are working with the best laboratories and universities in Europe. We also added a new incredible filtration process, photocatalysis. Natede is now able to eliminate VOCs, bacteria, virus, fine particulate, and odors. And remember, there are no filters to change, and it's the only product that creates fresh new air. It's faster. We worked a lot with fluid dynamics experts, and this improved the purification performance range a lot. And also the capacity of the self-watering system has increased. Natede's technology unit is now more powerful and silent. We also redesigned and added more sensors. you will have the best ones to measure your air quality. And now, with the new LED interface, you just have to take a look at Natede to know about the air quality in your space. The app is great. Check the air quality in real time or the analytics, and much more. Thanks to Wi-Fi and now also Bluetooth, Natede can be connected to really everything. It will be always with you and monitor the situation for you. What hasn't changed? The importance of plants and nature, of course, and our mission to find new solutions to bring fresh air, technology, and beautiful design for you.
So come with us in this journey. We need your help.